Hi guys, in this video I'll try to explain how we can set up a remote desktop connection to the Ubuntu machine. So here I have the Windows 10 laptop with me, and I just created an Ubuntu VM in the Hyper-V. So let me try to take the terminal. So let's try with a few commands to enable the RDP. So its command is sudo apt install XRDP. Asking for the password, I need to enter the system password. Okay, now let's try to set up or enable the RDP. Sudo systemctl enable now XRDP. Service with the 7. Okay, should be fine. Then we need to set up the port configuration. So sudo ufw allow any to any port 3389, that is the RDP prot. Then the protocol we just call as proto as TCP. Okay, sudo ufw allow any to any. Okay, I just made allow from any to any. Okay, it's an existing rule. If there is no rule, it will be creating a new one. Now let's try to restart the this one, the RDP service. Sudo city etc. Okay, the service is restarted now. Now let's try checking the IP address. Okay, now we are logged in to the this one. Okay, just need to close this one in order to open this one in the full screen. Let me change the settings to full screen. Connect, yes, username and password. Okay, this way we can simply access the Ubuntu from a Windows machine through the remote desktop. So it will be really helpful to copy the content and copy the file transfer, etc. And also you'll be getting a neat screen. So I hope this video will be helping you to set up the access. Thank you.